When you type in like that for a boyfriend, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to sort by here and change it to Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and Happy New Year. I wish you peace, health, wealth and happiness. If it's your first time, welcome. My name is Olivier and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to succeed with Mesh by Amazon or any other print-on-demand website. Please consider like and subscribe if you find any value. And if you have a question, please do not hesitate to ask them below in the comment, because I personally answer all the questions. Today I'm gonna show you how to jump on a trend. To do that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Etsy. What is interesting with Etsy is that when you are on Etsy.com and you just click on the search for anything, you can see here popular right now. So we can check in there what is interesting for you. But what we can do first is to change the country here to US, because I'm based in Canada, that's why I say Canada. But you have to change it to US and US dollar, but it doesn't matter actually. But just the region United States will be helpful. Click on save, and then you click then on here, and you're gonna see right now, for example, Valentine's Day gift for boyfriend. So this means that this is a good time now, if you have not already started, to look for a gift, to look for Valentine's Day design. Okay, women's clothing, kids wear, and scented and so on. But since we can see Valentine's Day gift for a friend, for a boyfriend, let's click on it. You're gonna see what we can see. You click on that, you're gonna see a bunch of items, not necessarily t-shirt, but you can look to see if there is any code, for example, that you can use on t-shirt. I can see this one, all mine, property of Chloe. So do you imagine how many girl name you have, property of Chloe? So maybe you can create a design with property of Chloe, property of Alice, property of Alima, property of anyone. So doing that, you have a bunch of nieces. If you have million name, then you have 1 million t-shirts. Okay, and the man, the legend, and so on. So you have to check all of these to find if there is any code that you can use on t-shirt, but always make sure that these are not trademark and so on. Instead of gift, let's change it here, Valentine's Day t-shirt for a boyfriend, and we're gonna see what's happening. When you type in like that for a boyfriend, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to sort by here and change it to most recent. Because what is interesting with Etsy is that it's showing every time a sale is made, it creates a new listing. Okay, so this one certainly for this query here, this is the last one that was sold, and so on. So we can see here, I love her, P, personality, I love his dick. So let's go to Amazon and check if this one exists. I love her, P. When I go to Mesh research, I love her, P, and search. And I see competition 225. Okay, and these already sold in the past. BSI is low because we are not yet in Valentine's, but these are certainly going to sell. You see here July 2021 already, and it's sold. So I can imagine that for Valentine's Day this will be a big seller. You can see here a lot of t-shirts like that, so and so on. So you can create this one, for example, and certainly you will make a sale. My class is full of swift heart. Let's check that. My class is full of sweet heart. You can see over 1,000, but this is for a teacher. It say my class is full of teachers, but let's say I type in here kindergarten. is full of sweetheart. Now you can see 292 results. And as far as I can see, not even on the first page, kindergarten. Let me just type in kindergarten to see with Control F to see if any t-shirt was created for kindergarten with the kindergarten design. This one is not for kindergarten. My class is full of so kinder crew, kindergarten typography. So you see that kindergarten elite. On the first page, not even one t-shirt created for kindergarten is full of sweetheart. What about first grade? Is full of sweethearts. My first grade is full of sweetheart. Yes, first grade we can see, but kindergarten no. So why not create a t-shirt for kindergarten is full of sweetheart? Okay, this is how you have to differentiate, and doing that, pretty sure that you will make a sale. Let's check for second grade. Is full of sweetheart. Nothing for second grade. Even if we say here 487, but we can see that in the listing, nothing was created for second grade. Nothing. So teacher of second grade may love a t-shirt that say the t-shirt. Let me type in here t-shirt. Yeah, so a teacher of second grade may like a t-shirt like that. Second grade instead of my class is full of sweethearts. So this is how you can differentiate. You can be on top of the competition. Okay. The second way to find this is to go to Redbubble, and when you click again on the search bar, you're gonna see what is trending right now. You can see coffee is a human right. Let's click on it. Coffee is a human right. Let's go to Amazon and type in coffee is a human right. Okay, look for t-shirt. And I cannot even see one that say the exact code. Control C, Control F, Control V. So people are typing, are searching, but as far as I can see, in terms of t-shirt, yeah, good coffee is a human right. Here we can see one, and another one, a second one. Yeah, so they are at the bottom, but very few competition, because we can see that the competition is low because we cannot see the first even t-shirt here that contain the code. The t-shirt are at the bottom. So this is something that is trending on Redbubble, but in terms of Amazon, the competition is very low. Okay, so coffee is a human right. Now this is coffee. Maybe you can change coffee by tacos. Okay, tacos is a human right. Okay, if you look for tacos is a human right, I'm pretty sure that if I even look for these codes here and I type Control F again, is a human right, nothing. So but we know that tacos is a good niche, because if I type in tacos t-shirt, okay, I'm fitness, I'm into fitness and tacos. You can see that we have a t-shirt that contains tacos with a BSR of 9,000. So if you create a new design with tacos is a human right, always make sure that it's not trademark. I'm pretty sure that it will make sale. Okay, all of these t-shirts, tacos, 35k, 255k, 300, and so on. So this is what we have to do. Basically, you take a trending code and you can change the item that you can change. Coffee by any food, by any sport, by any hobby, and so on. and you have like that new code that you can use for your design, and hopefully you will make sale. Thank you for your time. If you consider like and subscribe, that will be very helpful for the channel. Have a nice day.